Hi vlog. It's a new week. It's Sunday. I hurt my foot again this morning in the shower. It sucked. Huh.
Yeah.
Her and her sister got to wake up to me screaming and crying in the shower. But anyways, so this is Danica. She's my cousin.
Ow.
Sorry. So this is my Danica cousin. There. This is Danica. She's my cousin, and we're gonna make that dessert thing that everybody's making on the Tickety Talk, with the Cool Whip and the Jello. And yeah, I said Tickety Talk. What about it? 0 sugar Reese's. Let's go.
Yum.
Nobody posted an exact recipe, so we're gonna use all this Cool Whip. We're gonna use that whole box of cheesecake of Jello. We couldn't find white chocolate Jello pudding mix, so we got cheesecake.
It might taste better.
It will hopefully taste better. So, ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put this into this.
It broke. See? It broke.
Somebody dropped it.
Somebody? It was you.
Wow.
Putting the whole entire thing in there?
Yep. We're gonna dump the whole entire thing in because nobody posted the exact measurements. So, you know what? We're just gonna wing it. We put all of our Cool Whip into our bowl. Ooh! Now we're gonna put the cheesecake
I'm
Jello
gonna just move this up.
into there. Maybe
let's
let's do both of them. Because this one's only 1 ounce.
Hi, world.
Oh, God.
Do you want me to open it and put it? No,
No, just throw the whole bag in there. Now we're going to mix it up.
Hi, world. That's for mixing it up. So satisfying. Looks like shaving cream.
Oh, crap. Okay, so we got this.
Put that on my nose.
You don't have proof. Now that we got that mixed up, we're gonna
I
chop
just flipped it off my nose.
Oh, there's no proof. We're gonna chop this up. Oh crap! We gotta take all the wrappers out. Off. What was your question?
I said, I wonder how they make Reese's.
Probably with chocolate and peanut butter.
Don't give me sass.
Sass.
What?
I'm just waiting for you to come up with another fun topic.
Bigger burgers?
They should make burgers bigger.
Yeah.
Where? Like, who should make burgers bigger?
God.
Chop them up. Damn, Tim, I do want to try this.
Mmm. There's a little difference of sweetness.
Yeah, for sure. Now that the Reese's chopped, put it in the rest.
Ooh.
Now mix it up.
Don't spill it.
I know.
That's her mixing them up. It looks so good.
I wish we also had Oreo.
Oreo? Mm-hmm. Oh, that would be good.
It's Friday. I don't know if I've just been... I can't say if it... I don't know. I don't know if I'm bad at... Ow. Say hello. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. I flung my arm back. This is stinking cute. Whoa. We like those scratches. Not that I'm necessarily bad at vlogging. I just literally haven't done anything. Except lay in bed. Well, on the couch. Watch me. Hey. Watch TV, watch movies. I'm currently watching Hunger Games. Again. Started from the beginning. So I'm on the first one. Today I tried Hot Dog Alley for the first time because I just had to take my mom to the emergency room. I'm also still in the process of editing last week's vlog, even though it's Friday, so it's late. I hate listening to the sound of my own voice. Hi, Casey. You just texted me. She did. Anyways, I tried Hot Dog Alley for the first time. I got chicken sandwich. It was really good. It was okay. I got cheese waffle fries. Those are really good. You can't see what this is, but it's Arnold Palmer. Not only is it Arnold Palmer, it has strawberry boba in it. And that's about it. Nothing. I don't even remember what else I vlogged for this week. I don't know. Anyways, that's today. See you in the next clip. This is future editing Nicole to say there is not any more clips because I didn't film anything else for that week. I spent the weekend super sick, so I didn't do anything. Not like super sick. I just got sick Saturday night, but we know why. I'm fine now. Nothing to worry about. But yeah, that's it for this week, that week. That's the new week. Bye.